Hello. In this video, we're going to take a look at what a negative in front of your parentheses does. I like to think of it as the opposite of, or think of it as a -1. I would read this problem as the opposite of the quantity x plus 3. I've shown x plus 3 using algebra tiles. The negative in front is going to change the sign of all of those. So it will look like this. They become negative. My answer then is going to be negative x minus 3. I could write it as negative x plus -3, but then I would need to simplify it to negative x minus 3. So notice what it did is it changed the sign of both terms inside the parentheses. Instead of being a positive x, it became a negative x. Instead of becoming plus 3, it's minus 3. Let's look at it using an array. If I'm going to use an array, I will put that negative in front as a -1, then put the x plus 3 above the array. Then I'm going to multiply. I'll take the x times the -1, and that gives me negative x. Then I'm going to multiply the 3 times -1. That gives me -3. Then what remains inside the array is my answer. I have negative x minus 3. Let's look at it using the arrow method. The arrow method, I can put a -1 here, but in my mind, I don't normally write the 1. In my mind, I think of it as a -1. So I think of -1 times x gives me negative x. -1 times 3 gives me -3. All it really did is change the sign of both of the terms inside the parentheses. Now it's your turn. Please pause the video and give this a try. I'm going to use the arrow method. I'm going to think of this as -1 times x, so -1x, which is negative x, -1 times 4, which is -4. Really, all it did is change the sign of both terms inside the parentheses. Your answer should be negative x minus 4. What if you have subtraction inside your parentheses? It's going to do the same thing. Just think of that as a -1. So -1 times x gives us negative x. -1 times -3 gives us a positive 3. So the answer is negative x plus 3. I might have left out one part here that would be helpful for you. In order to think of these terms separately, you can put a plus sign right here so that you think of that as a -3. But in the end, what really happens is it changes the sign of both terms. So your answer is negative x plus 3. Now it's your turn again. Please pause the video and try this. Okay, I'm going to distribute this negative. This becomes a negative x. When I distribute here, instead of -4, it becomes plus 4. I have negative x plus 4. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.